Guess what, guys? Today, BigToken, one of the best apps for taking surveys, just dropped a huge update on their app. That's right, guys. BigToken, big updates, big payment updates. That's what you guys are actually looking for. And we're covering all of it in today's video, so stay around. Let's get right into it, guys. Let's go. Right, guys, so if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button for me. Thank you so very much. Now with that being said, let's jump right into today's info. Let's go. Okay guys, so what you're looking at right here is the new and improved BigToken app. Now if you guys don't already know, basically BigToken pays you to answer simple questions and it does not disqualify you, just as you guys can see. That is how we earn points. Very simple, quick questions. And if you guys don't already have this app, link is in the description for you guys as always. And yeah guys, it's very simple. You guys can continue to earn points just by answering yes or no questions essentially. And yeah, that's how BigToken works. Also, if you do want a full in-depth tutorial for BigToken, I do have a video for that separately, which will be linked in the description as well. Alright guys, so getting right into it, what we have right here is our total earnings. Now this will look a little bit confusing at first, but don't worry, I will guide you guys through this entire thing. So starting off, you guys will see a piggy bank. Now if you guys go ahead and click on that, basically is just showing you guys your level, which I'm not too sure what the levels do. Maybe you earn a little bit more as you level up, but currently I'm still at the starter level as this was only implemented today. Now here are the point requirements to get to the next levels. Now I'm not too sure what the levels actually do. I will update you guys once I find out, but for now it's just a leveling system. So what you guys are actually seeing, that green bar right there, is actually an update for payment. And yes guys, I do know that some of you guys are having a little bit of payment issues with BigToken. I know, I've seen the reviews, I've seen the comments. You guys are still not paid just quite yet. Remember, yet. Myself included, I actually haven't been paid from this app since the update. But guys, that's about to change. I hope, I think, yeah. So guys, let me explain. There is something called seasons, as you guys can see right here. Each season will last about 3 months. Now during that 3 months, what you guys can do is actually earn as many points as you can, and then before that season is over, you guys have to make a cash out request. Now according to them, after you make the request, 15 days after the season is over, they will send you your full payment. Now what happens if you miss the withdrawal date before the season ends? Well, to put it simply guys, your points will be carried over to the next season, and from there you guys will be able to cash out for that season. Now if you miss it again, it will be carried on to the following season, and so on and so forth. So yeah guys, basically those are the redemption rules, well the new updated ones. Basically you have 3 months to earn as many points as you can, and within that 3 months you have to make a redemption. Now if you don't make the request, you will have to wait to the next season to actually make the request once again. Also while we're here, I just want to throw this out there. Really big news right here guys. You can see you can now redeem 50% of your total points. So before it was at 25% guys, but now guys they have updated it to 50% of your points, which is awesome. That means you can cash out more of your balance and, you know, get more money. Now this will look a little bit different, so if you guys are having trouble finding the cash out page, it's very simple. Go over to my earnings, and then from there what you guys want to do is actually click on this season. Now once that loads, it should show your total earnings, and you can actually go ahead and click redeem. From here you guys can choose either charity donations or cash, and from here you guys can actually go ahead and choose PayPal, because that's the only option, but the best option obviously. And from here you guys can see I can cash out half of my account balance, which I had 30 bucks, but now I can actually go ahead and cash out $15 USD. Unlike before where I would only be able to cash out like $5 because there is no $7.50 option. Also guys, it does look like they got rid of the $5 option, but you guys can always save up to 10 bucks. It's really not that hard. And here's the thing guys, it's really easy to stack up points. I don't know why I don't do it as much. Like literally I do it once or twice a month, and yet I'm already here at $15 cash out. Also, if you guys don't already know, this update dropped with a $200 cash out option. That is insane guys. So if you guys do stack up a lot of points, you are now able to cash out 200 USD very easily. As for the questions, guys, it's pretty much the same. Same thing as usual. If you guys don't already know, just select any random button or answer, click continue, get your points. Simple as that. Also, just wanted to point this out so that none of you guys will get confused. This thing right here, this timeline says 75 days to redeem. That means you guys can redeem any amount during this time. It does not mean you have to wait 75 days to redeem. Just you have to redeem within that 75 days. Otherwise, your points will be carried over to the next season and you'll have to wait another 3 months before you get your payment. Personally, guys, I would continue to use BigToken, and actually I would use it a little bit more now that I can actually cash out 50% of my balance. Also, guys, I do suggest you guys give it a shot. Link will be in the description if you haven't already downloaded the app. And if you guys already have it, go ahead, check out the brand new update. I don't know, try it out for yourselves. Let's see how this goes. Also, guys, if you want even more earning opportunities, I have a video right here for you guys to click on. It is going to show you guys how to make money with your phone passively. So go ahead, click it. I'll see you over there. And yeah, guys, peace out for now.